previously regarded as man's work. Mike begins by telling us about job interview in the state.
The Great Central Railway, GCR, was a railway company in England which came into being when the Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway changed its name in 1897 in anticipation of the opening in 1899 of its London extension. On the 1st of January 1923, the railway was grouped into the London and North Eastern Railway. Today, in Leicestershire and Nottinghamshire, small sections of the main line are preserved. Several other sections of GCR lines are still in public operation. The Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway main line ran from Manchester London Road Station, later to be known as Manchester Piccadilly, via Woodhead, and Penistone, to Sheffield Victoria. In the Manchester area, lines ran to Stalybridge and Glossop. Manchester Central Station is not to be confused with the Great Central Railway. The name implies only the station's central location in the city, and was in fact the terminus for the Midland Railway Company. The Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway had obtained parliamentary approval in 1893 for its extension to London. On the 1st of August 1897, the original name of the railway was changed to Great Central Railway. Building work started in 1895. The new line, some 92 miles in length, opened for coal traffic on the 25th of July 1898. For passenger traffic on the 15th of March 1899. It was designed for high speed running throughout. As a Sheffield company, it retained its nomenclature when the London extension opened. Trains to London were still down trains, the opposite of standard practice on every other main line to the capital. The new line had been built from Annesley in Nottinghamshire to join the existing Metropolitan Railway extension at Quainton Road, where the line became joint Metropolitan GCR owned after 1903, to return to GCR tracks at near Finchley Road for the final section to Marylebone. It was the last complete main line railway to be built in Britain until Section 1 of High Speed 1 opened in 2003. It was also one of the shortest-lived intercity railway lines. Expresses from London to destinations beyond Nottingham were withdrawn in 1960, and the line was completely closed to passenger trains between Aylesbury and Rugby on the 3rd of September 1966, leaving locations such as Brackley and Woodford Halse without a railway service. A diesel multiple unit service ran between Rugby Central and Nottingham, Arkwright Street, until it was also withdrawn on the 5th of May 1969. Perhaps one thought to bear in mind. Strange as it may first seem, if the line had survived, little of what we see here today would remain.
Millersdale for Tideswell, Kirby Muxlow, Malcop and Scholar Green. No more will I go to Blandford Forum and Morty Ho. On the slow train from Midsummer Norton and Mumby Road. No churns, no porter, no cat on a seat. At Chorlton, Camharney, or Chester Street, we won't be meeting again on the slow train. I'll travel no more from Middleton Badsy to open shore. At Long Santon I'll stand well clear of the doors no more. No whitewashed pebbles, no up and no down, from Thornley Four Crosses to Dunstable Town. I won't be going again on the slow train. On the main line and the good siding, the grass grows high. At Dogdyke, Tumby Woodside, and Trouble House Halt, the sleepers sleep at Audlam and Ambergate. No passenger waits on Chittering Platform or Cheslin Hay. No one departs, no one arrives, from Selby to Goole, from St. Earth to St. Ives. They've all passed out of our lives on the slow train, on the slow train. Cockermouth for Buttermere, on the slow train. Armley Moor, Aram, Pye Hill and Summercoats, on the slow train. Windmill End,
faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. All of the sights of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. And ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever.